Hello friends, today I discuss trigonometry Cartesian. So this is horizontal line that is 0 degree, and so we rotate that is 0 to this, so that is 180 degree, 90 degree and 270 degree. So this is 90 degree angle, so 0 to 90. So this is first coordinate, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth coordinate. So we know that 6 trigonometric function, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So first of all we talk the sine convention. So sine, that is we write, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta and cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. So we learn a shortcut trick, that is A S T C, that is A S T C. So A for all function, all trigonometric function, that is 6 function all, and S for sine, and T for tan, and C for cos. We know that that is the reverse of sine theta is equal to cosec theta, that is sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So by this trick, that is ASTC, A for all means सारे trigonometric function, that is 6 trigonometric function, that is sin थीटा, cos थीटा, tan थीटा, cosec थीटा, sec थीटा, cot थीटा, ये सभी 6 फंक्शन ए यानी कि ऑल पॉजिटिव यानी फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट में ऑल पॉजिटिव, फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट में सारे ये 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन पॉजिटिव होंगे, डेट इज साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा, टैन थीटा एंड कोसेक थीटा, सेक थीटा, कॉट थीटा. द सेकेंड इज साइन, एस फॉर साइन, एंड द अपोजिट ऑफ साइन दैट इज कोसेक थीटा, यानी कि सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट में साइन थीटा एंड द रिवर्स ऑफ साइन थीटा दैट इज कोसेक थीटा, यानी साइन थीटा एंड कोसेक थीटा इज पॉजिटिव, एंड फॉर अनदर फंक्शन दैट इज कॉस थीटा, टैन थीटा, सेक थीटा, कॉट थीटा इज नेगेटिव. The third coordinate, that is T for tan, that is T for tan theta, and the reverse of tan theta that is cot theta. So third coordinate में tan theta and cot theta is positive, and all 4 function are negative, that is sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta is negative, and tan theta, cot theta is positive. The fourth coordinate, that is cos for, that is c for cos theta, and the reverse of cos theta, that is sec theta. So fourth coordinate में cos theta and sec theta पॉजिटिव, बाकी 4 functions, that is sin theta, cosec theta, tan theta and cot theta is negative. So that is cos theta and sec theta is positive. Next, that is we measure angle, that is reverse direction, that is anti-clockwise. We measure angle anti-clockwise. Suppose the angle is theta, so the theta is positive. If we measure angle in anti-clockwise, then the theta is positive, and if we measure angle in clockwise, then theta is negative. So we talk about the functions which is change in conversion, that is sin theta is change in cos theta, and cos theta also change in sin theta. Tan theta is change cot theta, is change tan theta. And next, sec theta is change cosec theta, and cosec theta change sec theta. So the change, so that is जो चेंज है वो केवल और बस केवल वर्टिकल लाइन पर ही होगा, यानी चेंज केवल वर्टिकल लाइन पर होगा, हॉरिजेंटल लाइन पर कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा। यानी फंक्शन में किसी भी प्रकार का चेंज जो होगा वो केवल और केवल वर्टिकल लाइन पर ही होगा, डेट इज 90 डिग्री एंड 270 डिग्री। हॉरिजेंटल लाइन पर फंक्शन में चेंज नहीं होगा, हॉरिजेंटल लाइन पर फंक्शन में चेंज नहीं होगा, डेट इज चेंज साइन थीटा चेंज कॉस थीटा आल्सो चेंज साइन थीटा, टैन थीटा चेंज कॉट थीटा चेंज टैन थीटा, एंड सेक थीटा चेंज कोसेक थीटा चेंज सेक थीटा। So the change is only vertical line. Change is only vertical line, that is 90 degree and 270 degree, and horizontal line, that is 0 degree and 180 degree change is not. So that is we write this is theta, this angle is theta, and this is 90 degree, this is 0 degree and this is 90 degree. So total 90 degree, and this is theta, so total 90 degree to this theta, तो this angle is 90 minus theta, this angle is 90 minus theta, so the angle is 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta के लिए सारे फंक्शन के मान फाइंड आउट करते हैं। So we know that the change is only allow 90 degree and 270 degree, that is vertical line. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to, that is sin, that is 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta in first coordinate. 90 minus theta is first coordinate, and we know that is sin theta change in cos theta, cos theta change in sin theta only 90 degree and 270 degree, that is vertical line, vertical line. So 90 minus theta, so function is change, that is sin theta change in cos theta, cos theta, and 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate, and first coordinate all functions are positive, so plus cos theta. Next, cos 90 minus theta is equal to, so cos 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta function will be changed, that is cos theta change in sin theta, and 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate, first coordinate all functions are positive. Next, tan theta, tan 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate, first coordinate all functions are positive, 90 minus theta functions are allowed to change, so tan theta change in cot theta. Next, cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, that is 90 minus theta functions change allow, so cot theta change in tan theta. 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate all functions are positive. Next, sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate, 90 minus theta first coordinate all functions are positive, 90 minus theta, that is functions change allow, so sec theta change in cosec theta. Next, cosec 90 minus theta, that is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, that is functions change, cosec change in sec theta, and 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate all functions are positive. Next, we talk that is this and this angle is 90 degree, so we draw an angle that is theta degree, that is theta. So this angle is theta, suppose this angle is theta, and this angle is theta, and this angle is 90, so overall this angle is 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, so we take 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 90 plus total 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate. We know that second coordinate, that is sin theta, and reverse sin theta cosec theta is positive and all four functions are negative. So sin 90 plus theta, that is functions change allowed, sin theta change in cos theta, and 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate sin is positive, so plus cos theta. Next, cos 90 plus theta, that is equal to, so cos 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate, and that is 90 plus theta, the function will be changed, so cos theta change in sin theta. and 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate. Second coordinate, only sine theta and cosec theta is positive, all four functions are negative. So cos theta is negative, so minus sine theta. Next, tan 90 plus theta, that is 90 plus theta, functions change allow, so tan theta change in cot theta, and 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate, that is sine theta and cosec theta is positive, and other four functions that is negative, so tan theta is negative, so minus cot theta. Next, cot 90 plus theta, that is 90 plus theta, functions change allow, cot theta change in tan theta, and that is 90 plus theta is second coordinate, only sine theta and cosec theta are positive, and for another functions are negative, that is cot theta is negative, so minus tan theta. Next, sec 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, functions change allow, sec theta change in cosec theta, 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate, functions only sine theta and cosec theta are positive, and for other functions are negative, that is sec theta is negative. Next, cosec 90 plus theta, that is equal to 90 plus theta, functions change allow, so cosec theta change in sec theta, 90 plus theta, that is second coordinate में sin theta and cosec theta only positive, and for another functions is negative, so cosec theta that is positive, so plus sec theta. Next, that is this angle, we measure this angle, that is 90 degree and theta degree, 90 degree and theta degree, so we can say that is 0 degree and 180 degree, so this angle is 180 degree and this angle is 90 plus theta degree, or this angle is 180 degree and this angle is theta degree. Suppose this angle is theta degree and this angle is 90 degree. This total this angle is 180 degree, this angle is 180 degree, and suppose this angle is theta degree, so this angle is 180 minus theta degree, so 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate, 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate, so we find all functions value, that is 180 degree, 180 minus theta, that is sine 180 minus theta, functions change are not allowed, so sine theta, that is sine theta, and 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate, sine is positive, so plus sine theta. Cos 180 minus theta, so cos 180 minus theta, functions change not allowed, so cos theta 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate, as only sine theta and cosec theta are positive, and for another functions, that is cos theta is negative. Next, tan 180 minus theta, so 180 minus theta, functions change not allowed, so tan theta 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate, only sine theta and cosec theta are positive, and for another function, that is tan theta is negative. Next, sec theta, sec 90 minus theta, that sec 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta function change are not allowed. So sec theta 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate only sin theta and cosec theta are positive, so sec theta is negative. Next cot 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, that is 180 minus theta functions change not allowed. So cot theta 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate only sin theta and cosec theta are positive, and for other functions are negative, that is cot theta is negative. So 6 function 1 2 3 4 5. So the last is cosec 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta, that is functions are change not allowed. So cosec theta 180 minus theta, that is second coordinate the second coordinate only sin theta and cosec theta are positive, so cosec theta, that is positive. Next that is we measure this angle, suppose theta. So this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90, so 90 plus 90, that is 180, and theta, that is 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and for another functions are negative. So 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, this angle is theta, so 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta we measure all. So 180 plus theta sin 180 plus theta, that is 180 plus theta functions change are not allowed. So sin theta 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, all other functions are negative, that is sin theta is negative. Next is cos 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta functions change are not allowed. So cos theta that is 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and four other functions are negative, that is cos theta is negative. Tan 180 plus theta, that is 180 plus theta functions change are not allowed. So tan theta 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, so tan theta, that is positive. Next cot 180 plus theta, so 180 plus theta functions change are not allowed. So cot theta, that is 180 plus theta, third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, so cot theta, that is positive. Next sec 180 plus theta, that is 180 plus theta functions change are not allowed. So sec theta 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and four other functions are negative, that is sec theta is also negative, so minus sec theta. Next cosec 180 plus theta, that is 180 plus theta functions are change not allowed. So cosec theta 180 plus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and four other functions are negative, that is cosec theta is negative. So 6 function, that is 6 function. And next we talk about that is this angle, suppose this angle theta, so we suppose this angle is theta, over this angle is theta, and we know that this angle is 180 degree, and this angle over is, that is 270 degree. So 270 degree, and suppose this angle is theta, so this angle is 270 minus theta. So 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate. So we talk about 270 minus theta. So 270 minus theta, that is sine. So 270 minus theta functions change are allowed. So sine theta change in cos theta. 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and 4 other functions are negative, that is sin theta is negative. Next, cos 270 minus theta. So 270 minus theta, that 270 minus theta functions are change allow. So cos theta change in sin theta, that is 270 minus theta third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and 4 other functions are negative, that is cos theta is negative. So next is tan 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta, that is functions change are allowed. So tan theta change in cot theta. 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, so tan theta, that is positive. Next, cot 270 minus theta. So 270 minus theta functions change allow. Cot theta change in tan theta, and 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, so cot theta, that is positive. Next, sec 270 minus theta. Sec 270 minus theta, that is functions change allow. So sec theta change in cosec theta. 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and 4 other functions are negative, that is sec theta is also negative. So cosec 270 minus theta, that is 270 minus theta functions change allow. So cosec theta change in sec theta. 270 minus theta, that is third coordinate only tan theta and cot theta are positive, and 4 other functions are negative, that is cosec theta is negative. So 6 functions, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next we measure this angle, suppose theta, this angle theta. So we know that this angle are 270, suppose this angle theta, so overall this angle is 270 plus theta. So we talk about 270 plus theta, that is 270, first number 270 plus theta. So sine 270 plus theta, that is 270 plus theta, that is 270 plus theta. So function change allow. So sine theta change in cos theta. 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive, 4 other functions are negative, that is sin theta is negative, and cos 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta function change allow cos theta change in sin theta. 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate cos theta and sec theta are positive, so cos theta is positive. Third, tan 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta functions change allow tan theta change in cot theta. 270 plus theta function 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and four other functions are negative, so tan theta is negative. Next, cot 270 plus theta. Cot 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta functions change allows, so cot theta change in tan theta and 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and four other functions are negative, that is cot theta is negative. Next, sec 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, that is functions are change allow, sec theta change in cosec theta and 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta positive, so sec theta is positive. Next, fourth, fifth and sixth last, that is cosec 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta functions change are allowed, so cosec theta change in sec theta. 270 plus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive, so cosec theta that is negative. So next, that is theta. So this angle is suppose theta. This angle is suppose theta, so, and we know that this angle is 360 degree. This one round, this angle is 360 degree and this angle is theta. So this angle is 360 minus theta. So we talk about 360 minus theta, that is fourth coordinate, and we know that fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and fourth other functions are negative, so sin sin 360 minus theta, so that is 360 minus theta functions change are not allowed, so sin theta 360 minus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and four other functions are negative, that is sin theta are negative. So next, cos 360 minus theta, so functions are change are not allowed, so cos theta and 360 minus theta, that is fourth coordinate cos theta are positive, only cos theta and sec theta are positive. So next, tan 360 minus theta, so 360 minus theta functions change are not allowed, so tan theta and 360 theta, that is fourth coordinate and fourth coordinate functions are fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive, that is tan theta is negative. Next, cot theta. Cot 360 minus theta. Cot 360 minus theta, so 360 minus theta functions change are not allowed, so that is cot theta and 360 minus theta, that is functions 3 minus theta fourth coordinate only cos theta and theta are positive, fourth other functions are negative, that cot theta is negative. And the next sec 360 minus theta is equal to sec theta, that is 360 minus theta. Functions change are not allowed, so sec theta and fourth coordinate 360 minus theta, that is fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and four other functions are negative. Next cosec 360 minus theta, 360 theta functions change are not allowed, so cosec theta 360 minus theta, that is fourth coordinate functions are fourth coordinate only cos theta and sec theta are positive and four other functions are negative, that is cosec theta is negative, so first and second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So dear friend, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon to find latest update. Thank you. Next video we talk about some important question of trigonometry related to Cartesian coordinate. So thank you.